hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Lord Help Me to Hold Out, and I think that's originally by James Cleveland. Yes, James Cleveland. Guys, you know what? This was requested by Bernice Hughes. Thank you so much, Bernice, for giving us a good song to work on this day. And of course, to start things off, I can show you what I'm working with. Yep, I got my coconut water. Yeah, okay, you know what? I'm gonna taste this a little bit later, but I want you to go to your favorite refrigerator and I want you to open it up. And I want you to go and look and see inside. Get your favorite beverage. Head on back to your favorite keyboard. I don't care if it's a Roland, a Casio, a Yamaha. I want you to sit down at it and learn with your favorite instructor, me, AK, on today. Guys, we are in the key of A flat. Let's run through it real quick. That's A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G, and A flat. Of course, this is numerical melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Of course, guys, we don't have James Cleveland in the building, but we have him here in spirit with us. We're going to crack our knuckles, okay? We're going to stretch them out. I think we're ready. Let's receive James Cleveland and his choir. That's Lord Help Me to Hold Out. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So we're starting out with let me give you that. Okay, so we're starting out with a 3 and we're going to our 2 and we're playing this nice chord on a 2 flat. We're playing a G flat diminished 7 chord. We're taking our bass, walking it down to the 6. We're still on this F sharp diminished 7 chord, and then we're playing this chord. We're on the 2 and we're playing this D diminished 7 chord. Going to our 5 and we're playing this B flat minor chord, and then we're going to our 1 and we're playing a regular A flat major chord. Going to our 4 and we're playing this D flat dominant 7 chord. Going back to our 1 regular A flat major chord, and then they're doing this nice little turnaround. Doesn't that sound gospely, right? If there's a word, gospely. Let me give you that. Okay, so what we're doing is we're on the 3. We're playing a regular B chord. Going to our 4, we're playing this B flat minor chord. Going to our 5, we're playing a regular A flat minor chord. And then we're going to our 2. What is that? That's a D diminished 7 chord. Now we're on our 5. We're playing a regular D flat major in our right hand. And then we're on our 1 regular A flat major chord. And then we start our song. They're doing this nice little cool pattern here. They're going, Lord, help me to hold out. Let me give you that. We're playing our 1. We're playing an A flat major chord, and we're going to our 6. And we're playing this nice B diminished 7 chord. And then we're going right back to our 1. And we're playing a regular A flat major chord again. And then we're doing this nice little bounce. Ba, 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 ba. And then we're going right back to our 6 and playing the B diminished 7 chord. And repeating the A flat major chord. And we'll just keep on doing that. You do that a few times, right? You go, oh, help me to hold out. All right, let me give you that. Let me show you. All right, what we're doing is we're on the 1. We're playing an A flat dominant 7 chord. Walking up to our 2 flat. We're playing an A dominant 7 chord. Going to our 2, regular B flat dominant 7 chord. All right, so we get to our 5 and we're playing. Let me give you that. Okay, so we're on our 5. We already got this chord. This is our E flat dominant 7 chord. We're changing our chord in the middle to this D dominant 7 chord. And then we're going right back to our 5 with this E flat dominant 7 chord. And then we're just bouncing on the E flat. All right, so all together it sounds like. Okay, and then we go back to the 1. So basically I played the beginning all over again, right? All right, so the next part is very repetitive. It goes back to the same thing. Lord, help me to hold out, right? Until, same as the beginning. We already went through this. Change, come. So now moving to the solo part, we're going very similar, right? Let me give you that. So what we're doing is we're doing the same thing. We stop right here. We're playing an A flat dominant 7. We're going to our A dominant 7, walking up to our 2, and we're on our B flat dominant 7. Now we're on our 5 and we're playing an E flat dominant 7. Here's the walk up. We're going to our 6. We're playing an F 6 chord. Going to a G flat 6 on the 7 flat. Going to our 7 and we're playing a B diminished 7. Now we're on our 1. We're playing a regular A flat dominant 7 chord. The next part. Let me give you that. So we're on our 1. We're playing an A flat dominant 7. Walking up to our 3. We're playing an A flat dominant 7 again. Going to our 4. This is almost like preacher chords, guys. We're on our D flat dominant 7. We're going to our 5 flat. We're playing this B diminished 7. Now we're going to our 3. We're playing a regular B major chord. Going to our 6 and we're playing a B flat minor chord. We're going to our 2. We're playing a D diminished 7 chord. Now we're on our 5 and we're playing a regular D flat major chord. ending, resolving on our A flat major chord on the 1. So guys, all of that is left is at the end. We're playing the A flat dominant 7 on the 1. Our bass is walking up 3, 5, 6, and then we're playing an E flat minor 7 chord on the 7 flat. Guys, I hope this was able to help you out. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is, do it anyway. One day my family and I went for a walk. My youngest daughter walked with me while my wife and our oldest led the way. As my wife and oldest daughter pulled ahead, I began talking to my youngest, telling her that in life there will be times where you will feel tired. It's important to acknowledge that feeling, but then choose to say, I'm going to do it anyway. Admitting you're tired is okay, but the key is to push beyond that and keep pressing toward your goal. We kept repeating this to ourselves until we eventually passed my wife and oldest daughter. The lesson is a clever reminder about resilience and determination. Life will present moments when you're tired or discouraged, but acknowledging those feelings is not a sign of weakness. It's a strategy for growth. The key is to cleverly reframe the challenge by saying, I'll do it anyway, turning obstacles into stepping stones as you press forward toward success. Do it anyway. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and learning with me. Thank you again, Bernice, for giving us an awesome song to work on today. And guys, you know what? I would love it if you can go tell your friends, your buddies, everyone that you know about this channel so we can help it to grow. Guys, we are on the road to 1 million. Yep, let me hear you say it, 1 million. And I would love for you to go and check out, yes, we have a Facebook page. That's me playing all the songs that I love to hear and play. That's Numerical Melodies on Facebook. And we have a section called, Viewers Requests. You tell me a song that you want me to play and I'll play it for you. Yes, that's Viewers Requests. That's Numerical Melodies on Facebook. Go and check it out. And guys, you know what? We have a bell. You know that bell? I want you to hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And also right next to that bell, we have a subscribe button. You know, some people say it takes like 3 minutes. I don't know. I think it takes 3 seconds. Let's try it. 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit it and you just hit the bell. Guys, thank you so much. And as always, you're not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK signing off.